Welcome back to my channel. So, here it is, the all-new 2026 Audi A6, a luxury sedan that takes everything Audi is known for and pushes it further. This isn't just a mild update. This generation feels more refined, more digital, and more confident than ever. It's designed for drivers who want comfort and technology without giving up performance or style. From the outside, the A6 looks sharper and more athletic. The front end is wider and more aggressive, with a bold grille and slimmer LED headlights that give it a modern, premium presence. The body lines are clean but purposeful, improving aerodynamics while making the car look planted on the road. Everything feels carefully sculpted, not flashy, but unmistakably Audi. Step inside, and the transformation is dramatic. The cabin feels like a high-tech lounge. Audi's new digital cockpit dominates the dashboard, with a fully digital driver display and a large central touchscreen that controls navigation, media, vehicle settings, and climate. On higher trims, there's even a passenger side display, allowing the front passenger to interact with entertainment or navigation without distracting the driver. The materials inside the A6 are exactly what you'd expect from a premium sedan: soft-touch surfaces, high-quality leather, brushed metal accents, and customizable ambient lighting that changes the mood of the cabin at night. The sound insulation has been improved, making the interior noticeably quieter, especially at highway speeds. Technology is one of the A6's biggest strengths. Wireless smartphone connectivity comes standard. Voice controls are smarter and more natural, and the optional head-up display projects key driving information directly onto the windshield. The available Bang & Olufsen sound system turns the cabin into a concert hall, with crystal-clear audio that surrounds you from every direction. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi A6 is powered by a turbocharged V6 engine that delivers strong, smooth acceleration. Power delivery is effortless, whether you're cruising in the city or overtaking on the highway. The car responds instantly without feeling aggressive or jerky. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction in all weather conditions, giving you confidence year-round. What really makes the A6 special is how it drives. It's not a hardcore sports sedan, but it's far from boring. The steering feels precise. The suspension absorbs bumps with ease. And with optional adaptive air suspension, the ride can switch from soft and comfortable to firm and sporty in seconds. Some trims even offer rear-wheel steering, making tight turns and parking surprisingly easy for a car of this size. Safety and driver assistance are a major focus as well. The A6 comes equipped with advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features work smoothly in the background, making long drives less stressful and daily commuting safer. In terms of space and practicality, the A6 doesn't disappoint. The seats are supportive and comfortable for long journeys, with available heating and ventilation. Rear passengers get plenty of legroom, and the trunk offers ample cargo space for luggage, shopping, or weekend trips. The panoramic glass roof adds an airy, open feeling to the cabin, enhancing overall comfort. So what does the 2026 Audi A6 really offer? It delivers a perfect balance of luxury, performance, and technology. It's a car that feels premium without being overwhelming, sporty without being harsh, and advanced without being complicated. For anyone looking for a refined executive sedan that excels in everyday driving while still feeling special, the 2026 Audi A6 is a strong and confident choice.